Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. So this is for a not so secret Santa swap that I'm doing over on the Created to Create channel. So basically, the swap was you had to package up 5 of your favorite crafty items, and you have 2 partners, so you have to buy 2 sets, package them up, include a tag, and mail them by the deadline. So my problem was I had ordered a bunch of stuff November 5th from a company, and it was after Black Friday. I'm like, what the heck? Where's my stuff? So they were able to ship out some of the items, and some of the items were not available. So I did a little improvising. I don't want to share everything that I got the people because they may or may not watch my channel. So I want some things to be a surprise because I don't know when they're going to get it. I don't know when I'm going to post the video. But I'll give you an idea of what I used to package everything up. Now, this is what I used: the Merry Days gift wrap book and tags. So I broke this out and I used a couple sheets of this to do my packaging. So let me show you what I did. So I packaged these items. Now, in the other one, because I made 2, so the other one I've completely packaged up all the way through. And I put some sequins in here, which I forgot to do with this one, but I'm going to put sequins in the other bag that I use. So there'll be sequins in one of the bags. So all I did was package up a couple of my favorite things, which are stickles. I love, love, love stickles. I use them all the time. They're a really great way of hiding boo-boos and just kind of making things bright and happy. So I use stickles a lot. And then the art glitter glue, I use this all the time. So I didn't use it for the longest time, but once I bought the fine tip at the top, it's become my favorite thing. So I use this quite a bit, and all I did to package it up was I cut using my Avery L topper. I went ahead and I cut it out of cardstock, and then I layered on a piece of the gift wrap paper because it's very, very thin, so you wouldn't be able to use it as a topper. And then I had cut these out in a previous video that I had saved, thank goodness, because it made things go by much faster because I really need to get this packaged out this weekend because I only found out on Saturday that they couldn't ship out my other item. So I had to move quick. So I've been waiting. So anyway, this is the first thing. And then this, you guys can guess what this is probably. All I did was this is just wrap it up using the gift wrap paper. And then I just made a little belly band and I put one of the tags right here on top. And then in here are 2 items. I put 2 items in here. So technically there's 6 items. I thought of the stickles as 1 item, but I mean, technically there's 6 if you count both stickles. So there are 2 items in here. And I made a chip bag for that. The chip bag works really well with this paper because it's very thin, so you can really see the grooves really well on it. And then all I did was use one of the tags from the collection to tie that up. And then this is going to be the tag for it. So I have a tag and I'll have a card. So let me show you how it looks once it's all packaged. You can see the other packaging that I use. I use a Santa on this one, and then I use the holly berries on this one. So on this one, what I did was I packaged everything in here because the other requirement is that it has to fit in a priority padded envelope. And so those aren't real big. So I wanted to make sure that things stayed flat. So I couldn't have any packaging that was too hard to ship. It had to be flat packaging. So I just put everything in here. You can see the sequins here on the bottom. And then I tied my tag here. So all I did was just do a simple topper. And then I used some stickers that I got from Tuesday Morning, the Fa La La. These are great, and they work really well with Merry Days, if you have Merry Days. Actually, all of their Christmas collections, I think, work really well together. So it's just put the Happy Holidays in here, and then here is my tag. And then I just tied the tag on to the side there. And so this one is all ready to go in the pink. And then, oh, on the back, I put my card. So I just need to write the person's name that they're going to go to here, and it's ready to mail. So that's the thing too, is I really needed to get this to the post office. And also my all my information's on the back of the tag. So my name and my email and my YouTube is on the back of the tag, so the person can know who sent it. And so that is my not so secret Santa swap. I just need to package up that other one and get it ready for mailing. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Crying with a Heart.